Good afternoon, greetings and namaskar to all of you. I hope you can hear me clearly. I hope मेरी आवाज सबको clear सुनाई दे रही है. Thank you so much for joining today for this award ceremony. And I can see a lot of people are already coming in. We also have some people who have joined in from YouTube live streaming that we are doing of this award ceremony today. Uh, and now we begin by extending a warm welcome to all of you. We have people from Japan, Singapore, Philippines, all parts of India. I think someone from Malaysia also who have come to grace this occasion. हम आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं ये स्टोरी राइटिंग कंपटीशन अवार्ड सेरेमनी के लिए. So thanks to everyone who has joined us here today. I will start by sharing. I'm sure you all are aware of Inner Search Foundation. And I, Yogita, who's your host today, am a member of Inner Search Foundation. And I welcome you all here. Inner Search Foundation is the foundation which had announced this competition, the Story Writing Competition 2020. A little bit about this trust. It's a charitable trust which was founded on 13th November 2000 with the objective of providing the right environment and necessary resources to support individuals grow and experience a balanced, happy, and productive life. And this trust has been involved in a lot of community service, social welfare, conducting workshops like health camps, seminars, counseling. It also promotes art, culture, literature. We work towards equality, dignity, safety of human life at workplaces and everywhere else as well. It also promotes research and education in a large way across India by publishing and encouraging meaningful research. You can visit our website, inner-search.org, for more information. We would like to begin with a small prayer. Our Independence Day is just 1 week away. As we have another year of celebrating our free nation, I would also like to wish all of you freedom from illness and ailment. And with this, I would like to request founding member and trustee of Inner Search, Pawan ji, for एक छोटी सी prayer वो प्रस्तुत करें. Pawan ji, over to you.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
Thank you very much, Pawan ji. Moving ahead, our special guest for today is Mr. Sunil Mehrotra. He lives in California, and because of the time difference, he is not able to attend today. He's the author of Shiva's Dance, which was published by the foundation. Mr. Mehrotra, he himself is a rocket scientist, a philosopher, a scholar, and an entrepreneur. He has an undergraduate degree in aeronautical engineering from IIT Kharagpur and masters in aerospace engineering and an MBA from USA. He has founded 2 high-tech companies and taught at universities. And we have a message from him. Due to a technical glitch, we are not able to play the full version of this message, but you can find it on our YouTube channel. However, we have managed to have a shortened version of his message to be played here for you.
Good afternoon. Hello and namaste from sunny California. I'm Sunil Mehrotra, and I'm honored to be asked to speak to you. Like you, I'm a budding author. My first book, Shiva's Dance, was published by ISF, and I'm so grateful to them. This was my first effort at writing, and they thought it might be worthwhile for me to share my experience with you all. So here I am. I believe that each of us has a book, at least one book in us, which is waiting to come out. it is in us and it needs an expression. My book took me 20 years to compose. The first 19 years, the book was incubating inside me. And then when the time was right, it started pouring out of me. About 3 years ago, I sat down to write the book, and it was as if the book wanted to write itself. So I let it go, and I would go chapter after chapter without proofreading or editing the book because it was flowing out of me. When I was all done is when I went back to proofread it and edit it, and that took me a year to do, and that was almost the happiest year of my life. I enjoyed reading what I had written because when I was writing it, I was lost. It was as if the book had taken over me, so I did not quite know how it was going to come out. So that's how the book got written. The book itself is a journey of self-discovery. I was, like most people, I was interested and still am interested in discovering the meaning of life, but more importantly, who I really am. This is a question that Ramakrishna encouraged everybody to ask themselves as to who you really are. The Vedas tell us that, told me and tell us that I do not exist. I'm not this body. I'm not my mind. I'm not a physical being. So who am I? I did a deep dive into this question. I began to study the Vedas as a scientist. And I discovered that the Vedic sages were scientists like Newton, like Einstein, and their insights are so profound and so deep that modern science is only now beginning to understand it. But what I want to say is, first, congratulations to each of you. I understand that you all have written and submitted your written work to ISF, and today is an award ceremony. So I congratulate each of you, and I wish you good luck and all the best in your journey. So take care and be well. Thank you and goodbye.
तो ये थे हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट मिस्टर सुनील मेहरोत्रा. And now we come back to our main agenda, for which we are all here, announcement of the awards. As you all may be aware that this competition was announced in languages Hindi and English both. And today I as a host, मैं आप लोगों से communicate करूंगी English और हिंदी दोनों में ही. तो शुरू करते हैं अपनी जूरी से. हम आपको अपनी जूरी से मिलवाते हैं. जूरी फॉर आवर हिंदी एंट्रीज: संजय शर्मा, पत्रकारिता की जग से. विविध कलाओं में पारंगत निधि कपूर. शिक्षाविद और कला प्रेमी ओजस्विता शर्मा. आई रियली होप हमारी जूरी आज है हमारे साथ. हम उनसे मिलेंगे probably towards the end. And now jury for our English entries. We have Annie Dean, who's a professor of English literature and an educationist. Sushma Kapoor, senior vice president at HSBC and an avid reader. Captain Praveen Rai, a painter, creative writer, graphic designer. And Nishika Srikar, a young filmmaker with works in Hindi films and many advertising commercials. And now we come to announcing the award. I would just like to tell here कि जितनी भी entries हमारे पास आई हैं, हमारी जूरी को बड़ा ही मजा आया है उन सभी कहानियों को पढ़ने में, और एक विनर सेलेक्ट करना सचमुच बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. बट ये प्रतियोगिता है और विजेता तो उन्हें सेलेक्ट करना ही था. बट उसके पहले उन्होंने कुछ स्टोरीज सेलेक्ट की हैं. तो मैं बता दूं कि जितनी भी सिलेक्टेड स्टोरीज मैं आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ, ये सभी पब्लिश होंगी बाय इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन. So now I will be sharing with you selected stories in Hindi category. Starting with अर्चना कुमारी for एक घर उम्मीदों का, ध्रुवी श्रीवास्तव for सपना, सुरभि सिंघल for कुल्टा, डॉक्टर करुणा पांडे for हाईटेक विकास, जीवन वधेरा for आहुति, अर्चना कुमारी for मैं जिंदा हूं, प्रिशा श्रीवास्तव for समुद्र की सैर, राकेश मेहता फॉर दृढ़ता और विश्वास, रीना सिंह फॉर ना मनीष ना मनीषा सिर्फ मणि, अंजलि काबरा फॉर इमरान, भूमिका गर्ग फॉर अपना गांव, रंजना झा फॉर बस एक कदम। एंड इन सब स्टोरीज में से विजेता सेलेक्ट करने के पहले हमारी जूरी देवर 3 कहानियों ने बहुत टफ फाइट दी, और वो 3 कहानियां हैं कुल्टा बाय सुरभि सिंघल, ना मनीष ना मनीषा सिर्फ मणि बाय रीना सिंह, एंड आहुति बाय जीवन वधेरा। एंड द विनर फ्रॉम दीज इज रीना सिंह फॉर ना मनीष ना मनीषा सिर्फ मणि। Congratulations रीना for this for being the winner. इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन की ओर से हम आपकी तरफ एक छोटा सा टोकन ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन जरूर भेजेंगे। टुवर्ड्स द एंड मैं स्क्रीन शेयर स्टॉप करके एक ओवर फोरम करूंगी, एंड आई होप कि रीना आप यहाँ हैं एंड वी विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई यू एंड वी कैन इंटरैक्ट विथ यू। एट दिस पॉइंट मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगी कि सारे राइटर्स सिलेक्टेड नॉट सिलेक्टेड जितने भी हैं प्लीज हमारे साथ बने रहें टिल द एंड। वी हैव अ स्पेशल मैसेज टू शेयर विथ एवरीवन, ऑल द राइटर्स हु आर हियर टुडे। अब क्योंकि हिंदी साहित्य की बात हो रही है, हम इस अवसर पर हिंदी साहित्य की एक लेखिका को सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं, इंदु प्रभा जी। उनको सम्मानित करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन की डीन मिसेस अनुपमा गोस्वामी को।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, नमस्कार। मैं अनुपमा गोस्वामी इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन के मंच से आप सभी का अभिनंदन करती हूँ। हम सब अपने जीवन में किसी न किसी उदाहरण को समक्ष रखते हुए हर क्षण हर मोड़ पर उससे प्रेरणा लेते रहते हैं। ऐसा ही एक उदाहरण श्रीमती इंदु प्रभा सेठ हमारे समक्ष उभरा है। इंदु प्रभा सेठ, आप इस उम्र में भी न केवल अपने आसपास के सच्चाइयों के प्रति जागरूक हैं, अपितु समाज के ज्वलंत मुद्दों से भी पूरी तरह से अवगत हैं। बचपन से ही सांस्कृतिक और सामाजिक कार्यों की तरफ आपका लगाव रहा। आज भी हिंदी साहित्य के प्रति आप निरंतर अपना योगदान दे रही हैं। आपकी अब तक की प्रकाशित अनेक कृतियों को पाठकों का प्रशंसा एवं स्नेह प्राप्त हुआ है। आपका नवीनतम उपन्यास विनम्र जिज्ञासा रामचरितमानस की अति सुंदर विवेचना है। पितामह भीष्म के चरित्र पर आधारित उपन्यास पर आजकल कार्यरत हैं एवं उपन्यास क्यों और कब तक प्रकाशन की कगार पर है। आपकी शैली सहज और शब्दावली इतनी सशक्त है कि कब चरित्रों को यथार्थ का लावा पहनाकर अपने लक्ष्य को भेज जाती हैं पता ही नहीं चलता। इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन की तरफ से हम सबकी ये कामना है कि आप हमेशा स्वस्थ रहें, आप चिरायु हों और सदैव हमें प्रेरणा देती रहें। आपके मन मंदिर में विराजमान सरस्वती आपकी शब्दावली और रचनाओं में शीतल गंगा सी बहती रहें। आज इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन के मंच से आपको आदर पूर्वक सम्मानित करते हुए मैं अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यशाली महसूस कर रही हूँ। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच अनुपमा जी। अब हमारे साथ प्रभा जी भी हैं और वो अब कुछ 2 शब्द कहेंगी।
मेरे प्रत्येक स्नेही जन को मेरा हार्दिक आशीष। अनुपमा जी ने जो भी मेरे लिए कहा वह उनका मेरे प्रति हार्दिक स्नेह ही है। लेखन को जितना कठिन माना जाता है वो उतना ही सरल है। अपने हृदय में उठते हुए भावों को अपने शब्दों में लिखना ही तो लेखन है। जब हम लिखने बैठते हैं तो अनायास ही हमारे शरीर के सभी अंग एक यौगिक क्रिया में लय हो जाते हैं। ये अनायास हुई एक यौगिक क्रिया भी है। लेखन बंधन में नहीं बंधा, ना आयु के, ना स्थान के, ना समय के। हमारे परम पूज्य रविन्द्रनाथ जी ने वो लेखन अपने बाल्यकाल में किया, वो आज भी सराहनीय है। नेहरू जी ने जो भी जितने भी पत्र जेल से लिखे अपनी सुपुत्री इंदिरा जी को, वो आज भी शिक्षाप्रद है। अंत में मैं इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन को हृदय से धन्यवाद देती हूँ, जिन्होंने मेरे नाम से इस पुरस्कार की घोषणा और उसको प्रतिवर्ष लगातार देते रहने का भी भार ग्रहण किया। उनको मेरा विशेष साधुवाद।
इंदु जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और सॉरी हमें आपको फिर से कहना पड़ा कहने के लिए, पर बहुत सुंदर। अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने कार्यक्रम से। हाँ जी, इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन की कोर फिलॉसफी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, whatever our core philosophy and passion is, that is to promote art, culture, and also people who are passionate about it, Inner Search Foundation is now open to instituting awards. This year, we have instituted 2 awards. First is the Indu Prabha Award, and the second award is Urmila Award. A little bit about Indu Prabha Award. It is for encouraging writers for their work and facilitating their contribution towards Hindi literature in the form of novels, short stories, plays, poetry, उपन्यास, लघु कथाएं, नाटक, कविताएं, इन सब का जो योगदान है उन राइटर्स को फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए अवार्ड इंस्टीट्यूट किया गया है। और दूसरा अवार्ड इंस्टीट्यूट करने के लिए मैं चाहूंगी कि पुष्कर कपूर आए और बोलें।
Thank you, Yogita. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. My grandmother, Mrs. Urmila, a feisty, energetic woman who has left me with so many memories, especially those of her passion and talent towards Indian classical music. She used to play the harmonium, the tabla, and had a very beautiful voice. I believe that's how my father developed his interest in singing and playing the harmonium, and I started playing the tabla. I am deeply honored to announce the institution of the Urmila Award in her memory. With this award, we hope that we are able to recognize and bring forward creativity and excellence in the field of light music, which includes bhajans, ghazals, and various other types of Hindi songs. Once again, I'd like to thank all of you for joining us here today and thank the Inner Search Foundation for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Pushkal. On behalf of Inner Search Foundation, we are very glad to institute these 2 awards this year, and also glad to inform you that they will be open from 15th August 2020 onwards, and the form, application process, and all other details will be available on our website very soon. So stay tuned for that. And back to our main agenda, story writing competition award ceremony. We will now see all the English entries. I would like to share that you may all be aware when we had announced this competition, there was no restriction of age or of any kind. But the entries that we received for English stories was so overwhelming that we had to create categories so that it becomes easier for our jury, and also we are able to do justice to the writers. And so we created 2 categories for same. The first category is age above 17 years. And now I will share with you the selected stories in this category above 17 years. As I mentioned before, all of the selected stories will be published by Inner Search Foundation. And we have Daya Aur Karuna by Kalyani Tarinada, 3 Friends by Kalyani, Small Town Big Dreams by Shilpa Shahdeo, Bewitched by Ronalyn Masikap, Passing the Parcel by Nivrati Goyal. A Lot Can Happen Over Coffee by Anand Arvind Natekar. Work That Magic by Swati Puri. And now for the second category, which is for age below 17 years, and the selected stories are A Festival Without Lights by Anushka R. Kulkarni. Detective Diaries by Devyansh Gaulecha. The Mystery of the Stolen Necklace by Gauri Sunil Shinde. Life is a Journey by Dhanvish Shivprasad Alva. A Glimpse from the Life of COVID-19 Warriors, Ariman Ghosh. Goals Are Never Out of Reach by Shravya Mandlik. A Beautiful Day by Gargi Shailendra. And now we have top 2 from both the categories, from which our jury had a real trouble selecting a winner, but we will share with you the top 2 and then we will announce the winner. The top 2 selected from age above 17 years, A Lot Can Happen Over Coffee by Anand and Small Town Big Dreams by Shilpa. And the second category below 17 years, we have Mystery of the Stolen Necklace by Gauri, A Glimpse from the Life of COVID-19 Warriors by Ariman. And now it's time to announce the winners. And our winners are above 17 years, Shilpa Shehdev for Small Town Big Dreams. And below 17 years, Gauri Sunil Shinde for Mystery of the Stolen Necklace. Congratulations to Shilpa and Gauri. On behalf of Inner Search Foundation, we are dispatching a token of appreciation and congratulations your way. Congratulations to you both. And I'm also very excited to release the book covers. As we have already mentioned that these stories will be published by Inner Search Foundation and we have designed the book covers. The book covers have been designed by one of our jury members, Captain Praveen Rai, and we are now releasing them. This is the book cover for the Hindi collection of stories, Kahaniyon Ka Sacharya, and the English stories, Kappa Companion. I really hope that you like these covers that have been designed by our jury member, Captain Praveen. The book will be available very soon on Amazon Kindle, and we will keep you updated. It will be available on Kindle for purchase very soon. And now the important message for writers that we had, I would like to share that. Although the competition ends here, but it has been a beautiful journey with all of you. For some of the stories that were not selected, we do appreciate your work. There was a lot of creativity and talent, but with some refinement, it can soon become part of another book which we would like to have. And we will be sending some tips and suggestions which have been collected by our jury. We hope that you find them valuable and incorporate them and come back to us with your refined stories. And now for the selected stories, we are very happy to share that some of the selected ones have potential to become more than just a story. They have a potential to reach out to a larger public through medium like short film or motion pictures. It goes without saying that even to approach and pursue a thing like this is a lot of work. But at Inner Search Foundation, we are ready to go that extra mile. However, for that, we would request writers of the selected stories to please email your consent to us at this email ID. I will leave the screen for a while so that you can note this email ID, iiresearch@isfgroup.in. Once we have your consent, we will try to go that extra mile to see if we are able to build your story into something a lot more and reach more people. I repeat the email ID again, iiresearch@isfgroup.in. And now, as we had announced that we are instituting 2 awards, out of which Urmila Awards, which also opens on the 15th August, we are very glad to announce you our next event, which we are launching and announcing under the Urmila Awards. We are announcing a singing competition, which is based on a very recently released music album, Adhyatma Path. Adhyatma Path is a collection of 6 bhajans. And more details about this competition, the jury, the prize, all of it will be announced very soon after 15th August once this award is open. And this award will be then selected and distributed in 2021. So stay tuned for this announcement, which will be coming on our website and our social media pages soon. Thank you very much, everyone. We are almost towards the end of the main agenda. After this, we would like to open the forum to interact with all of you on a slightly more informal basis, and I will stop sharing my screen. But before that, I would like to offer a small vote of thanks. This thanks is, first of all, thanks to the complete team of Inner Search Foundation, the trustees, our dean, and all the people who have been involved in this initiative and launching this activity. Thanks to our jury members for their heartfelt contribution. I thank all the writers to send their stories for their amazing creativity and talent. And thanks to all of you who have attended this award ceremony today on Zoom or on YouTube. And we also offer a special thanks to many of the school principals who have really encouraged their students to participate in creative pursuits like this one and so many others that keep happening. So thanks to principals of all of these schools that we are displaying right here. You can visit us at inner-search.org or mail us at this email ID, follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn. And now I would like to stop sharing my screen and open the forum for questions. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to type on chat. But before we do that, I would like to identify the winners. If the winners are here, they can probably raise their hand, switch on their video so all of us can see them. Reena, Shilpa, and Gauri. Are we able to see you all? Right, Gauri, is that you? Yes, I've asked you to unmute your your mic. Are you able to unmute? Yes. Congratulations, Gauri.
Thanks.
Thank you. Very nice story. Yes.
Thank
And
you.
Reena is also here. Congratulations, Reena.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thanks for participating also. We have opened this forum. Are there any questions or anything that you would like to share or speak to us about? We are all here.
Yogita, somebody is asking to share the Hindi cover page, if you can do that once.
Yes, certainly. So just one second. So these are the book covers of the books that will be released very soon. Pushkal, is there any other query?
Not yet. I'd also add that the webinar is now also being streamed live on YouTube. So in case anybody has missed out any details of any competition or any selected story, you can always go to our YouTube channel and view the entire webinar all over again.
Right. I would just like to ask if any of our trustees have anything to say. Dr. Poonam, would you like to do you have any closing remarks?
Good afternoon, everybody. Is it audible? आवाज आ रही है आप सबको?
हाँ.
थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का और सारे राइटर्स का, पेरेंट्स का और टीचर्स का, उनको इनकरेज करने के लिए और बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट लेने के लिए और एडल्ट्स का खुद के वर्क के प्रति इंटरेस्ट लेने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. It was great experience going through all your stories, and can we use this forum if any writer, author wants to say something about their story? Would they like to share anything with us? Anyone?
Yes, this is an open forum. Please use it the way you want.
Any question about anything or from any us, we would be more than happy to answer it. We will wait for some time, and otherwise it was again thank you so much, and over to you, Yogita, unless there is a question comes for us.
Yeah, Dr. Karuna is here. Dr. Karuna, I'm unmuting you. Can you please switch on your mic?
Yes, मैम, जैसे आपने कहा है इसकी शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाने के लिए ना, हेलो, कैन यू हियर माय?
बोलिए सर.
हाँ, तो इसके लिए अगर आगे कहीं किसी दूसरी स्टोरी को दें आपको, या किसी दूसरी स्टोरी पे वर्क करना चाहें या आपसे बात करना चाहें, तो कैसे हम कांटेक्ट करेंगे? जो ईमेल मेरे पास आई है. जी जी.
हाँ जी, बोलना मुझे सुनना ही नहीं दे रहे हैं.
डॉक्टर करुणा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. हमारी ईमेल आईडी है और हम लोग इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपने राइटली कहा. तो आप अपनी इंडिविजुअल इंक्वायरी हमें भेज सकते हैं, अपनी और कहानियां भी हमें आप भेज सकते हैं. और हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। आगे ले जाने का मार्ग थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, बट बिकॉज में पोटेंशियल बहुत था, तो हमें ऐसा लगा कि शायद हम वो कर पाए अगर आप लोगों का सहयोग किसी का होगा। बट उसके लिए अभी क्या है, हमें पहले शुरुआत कहीं से करनी पड़ेगी। सो वी हैव टू टेक आवर फर्स्ट some of the stories which I right now I don't I would not like to take names, and probably we are not ready with the names right now, but some of them have some potential and I'm sure all of have that potential, but we need to work it on. And आप जो लिख रहे हैं प्लीज भेजिए, या आप इस ईमेल पर अपनी कोई भी क्वेरी है बताइए, तो हम आपका स्पेशली स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं जरूर करूंगी थ्रू IIRE की। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
Anybody else?
Yeah, I would like the winners to please introduce themselves, from which place they are, what are they doing presently. So
Yes,
we would like to hear about the winners.
Yes, even winners, all selected people और people जिन्होंने अपनी भेजी है वो भी हमारे लिए विनर से कम नहीं है। तो आप बताइए अपने बारे में, तो हम लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा।
So I think
the small girl, the small girl.
I cannot see Gauri right now, but I can see Reena Singh. Let me start with her, और मेरे को जैसे जैसे लोग देखेंगे मैं उन्हें अनम्यूट कर दूंगी। रीना, over to you. Please बताइए आप कहाँ से हैं? Anything about you?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Reena, yes.
मैम, पहले तो मैं सभी ज्यूरीज को जिन्होंने मेरी स्टोरीज को फर्स्ट नंबर दिया है, मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ आपकी। और मैं कल्याण से हूँ, मैं एक असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हूँ आर के तलरेजा कॉलेज उल्लासनगर में। मुझे ये मैसेज आया था एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, और तब जब मैंने मैसेज देखा मैंने सीरियसली ले लिया कि मुझे इस पे लिखना है और भेजना है। और स्टोरी के बारे में थोड़ा बताऊं तो स्टोरी एक्चुअली जो मनीष है वो मेरे कॉलेज का स्टूडेंट है वो, और मुझे उसको देख के लगता था कि मैं उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखूं, पर ऐसा कुछ मौका मिला नहीं। और जैसे ही मैंने जब ये देखा कंपटीशन है तो मुझे लगा मुझे लिखना चाहिए, तो कुछ थोड़ा उसके बारे में है, थोड़ा अपनी कल्पना है, और ऐसे करके मैंने स्टोरी लिखी। और मैंने उस बंदे को भी बताया था कि देख मैं तेरे ऊपर थोड़ा सा स्टोरी लिख रही हूँ, तो उसने कहा हाँ मैडम लिखो, आपको जो कुछ पूछना है मुझसे पूछो। तो मैंने उससे पूछा, उसका बचपन भी पूछा, तो जितना उसने बताया थोड़ा उसमें और मिक्स करके मैंने ये स्टोरी लिखी और उसको बताई भी। तो बहुत खुश हुआ वो, अब खुश हुई वो, क्योंकि उसका वो अपने आप को ऐसी ही बात करती है करके। तो फिर उसने बोला मैडम आपकी स्टोरी ना जरूर फर्स्ट प्राइज लेकर आएगी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। तो मैंने कहा होप सो, देखते हैं। और आज रियली में मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है, और मैं उसके साथ भी शेयर करूंगी, और मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और थैंक यू आप सभी को स्टोरी को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Reena. On behalf of our entire team, congratulations. Thank you and special thank you to your special friend. उसको हम लोगों का रिगार्ड और प्यार कन्वे करिएगा। और बहुत अच्छा लगा, और ऐसे ही लिखते रहिए, और होगा तो हमें भी भेजते रहिए, तो शायद आपकी इस जर्नी में हम लोग भी इक्वली सम्मिलित रहेंगे। थैंक यू। और कोई सेलेक्टेड?
Yes, श्योर मैम।
और या जिसने पार्टिसिपेट किया हो, या किसी के पेरेंट का कुछ इनपुट हो, कोई प्रिंसिपल अगर आज हमारे साथ कहीं से जुड़े हुए हो जिनका कुछ इनपुट हो तो, और अदरवाइज हमारे कोई ज्यूरी मेंबर, निधि, ओजस्विता, प्रवीण, अनुपमा ऑलरेडी स्पोकन, एनीबडी फ्रॉम jury? Sushma, Nishika, you would like to say something? Anybody jury में would like to say something? Annie and Sanjay Sharma. Sanjay, are you there? You can say something to our participants or anything.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, Sanjay. Yes, we can hear you. Jury, हिंदी jury. हाँ संजय,
ये जो इंग्लिश हिंदी में जो इनर सर्च ने जो ये किया, जो प्रतियोगिता की, ये मुझे लगा बहुत ही कम समय में प्रयास था। और मतलब ये समझ में आया कि मतलब जिस तरह कहानियां आई, वो कहानियां उतनी, जैसे हिंदी में तो कभी कहानियां कुछ कम थी, कैटेगरी भी उस तरह से नहीं बन पाई, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी कहानियां आ गई। और लगा कम समय में ये प्रयास किया गया, अगर इसको थोड़ा सा और पहले से शायद अगली वर्ष और तैयारी से होगा, तो मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी में काफी संभावना है और ज्यादा कहानियों की संभावना है। और इसको अगर हम हिंदी से जुड़े लोगों के बीच में, जो हिंदी से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं उनके बीच में इसको ले जाएं आगे से, तो मुझे लगता है कि और अच्छी कहानी आएंगी और बहुत बड़ी संख्या में कहानी आएंगी और हम कैटेगरी भी कर सकते हैं, उम्र वाली भी, एज वाली भी, या किसी भी तरीके से। लेकिन जो भी कहानियां आई वो बहुत अच्छी कहानियां थी। कम से कम 5-6 कहानियां ऐसी थी जो विनर कहानी है, जो जीती हिंदी में, जो रीना सिंह, उनकी कहानी वाकई में पढ़ के लगता था कि वो कोई रियल स्टोरी ही है। वो पढ़ने से समझ में आ गया था। और इसके अलावा 2-3 जो और कहानियां भी जिनका नाम लिया गया तो वो बहुत अच्छी कहानियां थी। तो आई होप आगे से हिंदी में कहानियों की संख्या ज्यादा होगी और इंग्लिश से ज्यादा होगी और बेहतर कहानियां होंगी और कैटेगरी के साथ होंगी, ये मुझे लगता है। और आगे इंदु प्रभा अवार्ड जो हिंदी के लिए स्थापित किया है इनर सर्च ने, वो एक बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है और इसके बहुत अच्छे परिणाम आएंगे और बहुत नए लेखक, उपन्यासकार उभर कर आएंगे, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स एंड या यूर ट्रू। इस बार हिंदी की कहानियां बहुत कम, कंपैरेटिवली कम थी। इंग्लिश में भी
अच्छी कहानियां थी, अच्छी कहानियां थी।
And we really hope that we get good stories in more in numbers also to select from in Hindi as well. Yeah, thank you, Sanjay. Sushma or Annie?
We have
Yes.
Shilpa. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Is there any question from anybody?
I'd like to.
Annie's, Mrs. D.
Yeah.
Yes.
You hear me?
Yes, Annie.
Yes. Oh, I'd just like to come in to congratulate Inner Search Foundation for this initiative. And I feel honored, and it was a pleasure to be part of this exercise. All of us have a story or two to tell, but not all of us have the talent or the skill to say it well. And I really want to congratulate all those who participated, and especially the winners. I've enjoyed the whole thing. Thank you very much, Inner Search Foundation. Thank you.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. Thanks.
If I may, I will just try to unmute Gauri. I am able to see her. She's a winner. If she can just unmute herself. Gauri, हम आपको please.
Hello.
Yeah, Gauri, we just would like to know where you're from and your experience. Anything you want to share from your side?
I am from New Horizon Public School, Navi Mumbai, in 8th standard. I would like to thank the jury for selecting my story, first of all. I actually like reading fiction stories a lot, especially crime fiction, and that's why I got the inspiration for my story. I really like Sherlock Holmes and Feluda of Satyajit Ray. That's how I got this inspiration. And my teacher forwarded the competition on my school WhatsApp group, and she encouraged us to take part in this competition.
Thank you, Gauri. Thanks for sharing it. Congratulations, and special thanks to your teachers. Regards to your parents, regards to your teacher and principal. Do convey it on our behalf also to them. We are really thankful to them. And you have great potential. Keep writing. Keep getting inspired by good writers and books, and keep writing good work, doing good work. Thank you.
Mrs.
Shilpa is here, Yogita. Shilpa.
Shilpa is here. Can you unmute her?
Yes, she's already unmuted. Shilpa, please go ahead.
Hi, I think I heard my name. I'm not sure because my internet just cracked off at that point of time. So did I hear right?
Yeah. Shilpa, you're the winner in English story above 17 years age group category. Congratulations.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really thank for giving this opportunity for all the writers. In fact, I've had a you can say hobby towards writing right from my childhood, but unfortunately in this country, or I'm not sure whether it is applicable in other countries as well, people do not have much of a career with respect to writing, unless you really crack off with respect to your first book. So this is really a good initiative. I had already always thought of pursuing this as a career, but I was not able to pursue this. But however, opportunities like this really give us a boost, and it is a very good initiative by all of you.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you for what you shared. Is so true. And though we are encouraging, but still I cannot recommend you to full-time anybody to pursue right now. But yeah, we are doing, and hopefully with our efforts and with the genuine efforts, probably it can become a parallel career. And why not? It inspires. Writing is something which helps you touch so many lives, and it's such a positive activity, even when you do it for yourself. And yeah, keep doing your good work. We are trying our best, and be there with us, and we are there for you. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Shilpa.
thank you so much. And
Thank you.
just for anybody who would be interested, I also have a dedicated website, okay, where I do post in my small stories. So that is something which I do it just for, as pursuing as my own hobby.
Okay, great, Shilpa. Shilpa, you can get us connected on the social media, and we can interact there, and probably it will help mutually. Yeah. Thank you so much, Shilpa.
Okay, thank you so much.
We can share your website, and also for the benefit of everyone, you can probably post your web link on chat, and we can all have access to it. So feel
Right now?
Yeah. If you are interested, of course, you can post right now. You can send us to.
I'm not getting that option.
Okay, no problem. I think one of our jury members, Ojaswita, wants to say something. I have unmuted her.
Hi, I am Ojaswita. I was in jury for the Hindi writing competition, and बहुत ही बढ़िया मैं कहूँ तो बहुत अच्छी stories आई थी, very true to life. और I was astonished to see that little kids like 9 years old and 14 years old were interested in writing. तो आई होप ये हमारी धरोहर को आगे लेकर जाएंगे. राइटिंग स्किल्स इम्प्रूव हो रही हैं. बच्चे जैसे प्रज्ञा, भूमिका, मुकर्रम, मतलब बहुत प्यारी इनकी स्टोरीज थी. मुझे पढ़ के बहुत मजा आया. एंड जो बड़े थे उनकी स्टोरीज भी दे वर सो ट्रू टू लाइफ. कई स्टोरीज तो पढ़ के लिटरली आंख में आंसू आ गए कि ऐसा भी होता है. तो इतनी अच्छी स्टोरीज आ रही हैं. आई एम टू मी एवरीवन इज अ विनर. सो जो स्टोरी विनर है, माय हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशन टू हर. और वो स्टोरी सच में बहुत अच्छी थी. और बाकी स्टोरीज भी मतलब इतनी अच्छी थी कि डेफिनेटली मुझे लगता है ये बुक तो मैं रोज एक बार पढ़ा करूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Ojaswita, for sharing your thoughts, and thank you so much. Sushma, can we hear what was your feeling while reading books? And
thanks, Inner Search Foundation. It was a great pleasure, to be part of the jury. Gave me an opportunity to, read a lot of stories, and everyone was special. I think each one of you have a talent, and you need to give yourself time to develop further. Each story was good and was able to connect with all of us. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Nidhi Kapoor. Would you like to
Yeah.
add? She's also Hindi jury, part of jury. Yes.
सभी को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार और सभी विनर्स को मेरी बहुत शुभकामनाएं. सारी स्टोरीज इतनी रोचक थी कि मेरे लिए जज कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल काम था एक. और शुरू से आखिरी तक इंटरेस्ट बना रहा. और ये एक बहुत ही सराहनीय कदम इनर सर्च फाउंडेशन की तरफ से है, जिसे कि आगे बढ़ाइए और आगे और भी लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें. यही मेरी मन से इच्छा है और शुभकामनाएं आप सबको.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. It means a lot. Praveen and Nishika, something about writers. You would like to say something about stories? A little bit something inside. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much. God bless you. Yogita, I think you need to unmute here.
Hi, everyone. Thank you all the writers for submitting your work. When I read these stories, whether they're children writing them or the adults, they could feel very personal and they were very original. And that's what everybody, even in the jury, appreciated. And thank you for sending these stories, because if we read more work, then we also are exposed to better experiences and better writing. And continue writing, because that's the best way to keep improving on a skill. And thank you so much. I thoroughly enjoyed, and thank you.
Thank you, Nishika. Thank you so much. Praveen, are you there?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm having a bit of a technical issue right now. So anyway, the thing is, I want to congratulate all the writers, the budding ones, as well as the accomplished ones. irrespective of whether you won today or not, the stories were wonderful. It was really a pleasure reading each one of them, and I enjoyed the process thoroughly. So to the winners, keep it up. The ones who did not feature in the list today, it's not that your stories are not good, they were wonderful. It's just that you need to keep working on your skills a bit more, I guess. So keep writing, keep them coming, and keep sharing it with others, because it's a pleasure to read your stories, the themes that you came up with, and especially the under 17 category. First of all, at such a young age to come up with such themes and stories, I'm amazed totally. And not only the writers, the parents, the guardians, teachers, everyone who supported these kids, you're doing a fantastic job. So keep doing that, please. And last and not most importantly, IIRE, ISF, a great initiative, and I'm glad to be a part of it. So thank you for involving me in this, and I look forward to more such activities in the future. All the best to all the writers. We look forward to reading more of your stories. Keep them coming. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Praveen, and thank you for encouragement for all our writers. Thank you so much.
Yogita, I have two similar questions. One is, are the certificates available for download? And the second one is that if the selected stories will be getting a certificate.
One second, I would like to answer it. First question was, certificates will be shortly, maybe today evening or tomorrow will be emailed to you because we have your email IDs. What was the second question?
Are the selected stories getting a certificate?
Yes, all selected stories are getting a certificate. So as we have declared in our initial announcement, certificate, e-certificate for all selected stories and winner. Yeah, so everybody will be receiving an email shortly.
There is also one question on YouTube. I just learned asking how often do we conduct such activities. So we try to do at least 2 to 3 a year, and we will try to see if we can increase that. But if you are following us on Facebook or LinkedIn or even our website, you will know about the next upcoming activity from there. We still do have 10 minutes. If there is anything anyone would like to share, please feel free. You can unmute yourselves directly now instead of me having to do it. We have opened that channel.
Yogita, if I remember correctly, this was also getting published on Kindle, right?
Yes, Shilpa, you're right. So the selected stories winners, their books will be published. Actually, since you missed, if you have, we also have already had the what do you call the book covers are out. So just because you missed, so these book covers are out, and very soon they will be available on Kindle. Yes.
Okay, so let me know whenever it is.
Yes,
that's great. I also texted my website on the side. I'm not sure if you're able to see it.
Yeah, I think one of my colleagues has put it on chat for everyone to see. Yeah.
Yes, and I have also acknowledged your sharing. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Any feedback from any of participant about the about this activity or the way it is conducted, or any suggestion for us to improving further or to take care of something else? Is there any feedback would you like to give? You can write your otherwise you can just type it if there is something, and we'll try to connect.
May I speak something?
Please.
From the experience of last 2 years, I've been holding classes for the small students, like they are in 18 number, making them sit to write, and then writing with neat handwriting. So when you call for the stories, you can put a mark that it should be self-written very neatly, so you can hold a special prize for good handwriting, neat handwriting. आज के समय में बच्चों को डिजिटल ज्यादा स्टडी हो रही है, so let them be like awakened to write good handwriting, so that way we can encourage them to sit and write by themselves and have a good handwriting, good speed. मैं बच्चों को देखती हूँ यहाँ पर, even 11th 12th students वो भी कॉमा लगाना नहीं जानते, फुल स्टॉप लगाना नहीं जानते. It's only because they have lost the practice of writing. So if you start that mission also to make them write with good handwriting and follow all grammatical techniques, then it will be very good.
Thank you so much for the input. But I still believe writing, I leave it to schools, and I would still like to have them all the punctuation marks and all the full stops and commas and semi-commas in place, because that's the most important thing. And the other thing is the reference. I think we have sent some mails to some of our participants also, asking them to, if you're referring, give the reference, acknowledge the references, which is very important. So writing part, I leave it to schools to groom them, but I would be very good with them when they're working with Microsoft Word, at least. Having said that, all the punctuation marks and the structure of language has to be honored. Imaginations are important, but the structure is equally important, So we pay attention to both of it. But however, thanks for the suggestion, maybe, and we can have another kind of a writing contest. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. I think we should be just thanking everybody. Yogita, over to you.
Yes. So final thoughts. Thanks everyone for joining and making it such a nice session. And I'm glad that everyone participated in this open forum and making it interactive. We got to know the writers and jury slightly better than just their profiles that were there on PowerPoint or email that we had received. So thanks everyone for participating. And of course, this was being streamed live on YouTube, as Pushkal mentioned. So you'll be able to visit this video anytime if you go to ISF Group YouTube channel. And if there's anything, feel free to email us. We are here for you. If you wish to engage in any of our, any of the activities that as a charitable trust we do, which could be social welfare, community service, yoga, meditation, research, education, there are many categories, many kind of activities. Feel free to let us know, and we would love to have volunteers or people whom we can go forward with in many of our activities, right? So with that, I thank you all, and I wish you a very safe, secure future, at least in the near future, because of this looming pandemic, and a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And thanks everybody. Thank you so much. Shukriya. Dhanyavad. Thank you.